More than a dozen Southern California parents, from the Inland Empire to the Los Angeles County coast, have joined forces in a lawsuit against several California officials, arguing that barring in-person classes this fall will hurt students, despite the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. A telephone hearing on the lawsuit is scheduled for August 17. Schools, meanwhile, will begin opening this month while the suit is argued. The lawsuit, filed last month in the Central District of California Western Division, argues state officials put politics ahead of the well-being of children, and violated their constitutional rights to a meaningful education. The governor's office, in a statement, defended the decision to prevent schools in California's coronavirus hotspots from reopening, saying officials let science dictate their decisions and have the authority to prevent students from going on campus. Defendants in the lawsuit include Governor Gavin Newsom, California Attorney General Xavier Becerra, Sonia Y Angell, the state's public health officer and director of the California Department of Public Health, and Tony Thurmond, the state superintendent of public instruction. With the school year commencing in mere weeks from the date of this filing, time is of the essence, the lawsuit reads, and the court should not hesitate to ensure that plaintiffs' fundamental interests in securing a meaningful education for their children are preserved and protected from defendants' arbitrary actions. At the heart of the complaint is Newsom's July 17 announcement that most counties in the state will have to close schools to in-person learning because case numbers and hospitalizations related to the coronavirus remain high. Under the governor's plan, school districts in counties on the state's watch list, which includes Los Angeles, Orange, San Bernardino and Riverside counties, can't reopen campuses until their counties get off the list for at least 2 weeks. To get off the list, counties must have a positivity rate below 8% and a case rate under 100 per 100,000. Some of the numbers have trended in the right direction recently. In LA County, for example, the 7-day daily average positivity rate was 7.8% as of Wednesday evening, August 5, according to county data. But the accuracy of such numbers has recently been called into question, because of a case backlog from the state's electronic laboratory system, which has had several issues that need fixing. Either way, those counties all remain on the state's watch list, meaning the governor's decision removed the option of a hybrid model of learning, adopted by many districts, which would have combined classroom and at-home learning. Science drives the state's decisions in this pandemic, said Jesse Melgar, a spokesperson for the governor's office.